Good evening, everybody. This is your Sunday evening National Weather Service New Orleans update for the week. Not a whole lot going on in the weather this week, but let's take a look at a couple things. First, let's start with the severe weather chances. We do have a 15% risk for day 4, which is going to be Wednesday morning into Thursday morning. So most of the time, Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday evening. Um, Usually we don't see days 4 through 8 very often. You guys are probably used to seeing the days 1, 2, and 3 where it says marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate. But this is what it looks like when we have a day 4 or through day 8 risk. So just an idea for us to highlight where we think the risk would be. So everyone keep an eye on Wednesday, know what to do if a warning is issued, know what your safe place is. If a tornado warning is issued, make sure you have ways to get your warnings, whether it be your cell phone, weather radio, TV. So let's keep an eye on that. Next thing, let's look at just like the next 7 days in weather. So I have New Orleans and Macomb on here, and then I have Baton Rouge and Gulfport on the next one. So you guys can maybe pause, move forward, take a look if you'd like to see what your area is going to be. So going to be pretty warm over the next few days, especially compared to the last couple days. Highs in the upper 60s, lower 70s, even up to the upper 70s Wednesday and a Thursday. And that would be the day where we would have any severe weather. Lows are going to be in the upper 50s to lower 60s until that front comes through, and then you can see Thursday night the lows do start to dip down into the 40s. There is a chance of rain on Monday, so tomorrow, anywhere from 30 to 50% chance. Looks like it's going to be more Monday evening into Monday night. So nothing severe expected, just some light showers across the day and the evening. And then for Gulfport and Baton Rouge, if you guys are in those areas, you can see it's very similar. Highs tomorrow in the 60s, going up into the 70s, and then lows in the 40s and the 50s. The only other thing we want to talk about today, if you guys are not familiar with our website, you can go to weather.gov/licks or weather.gov/New Orleans. And I just want to point out a couple cool things. Here at the top, we do have Spotter Talk scheduled. So if you click on that link, you'll be able to find information here about our online Spotter Talks, which are virtual. And then we'll also start to have some on-site classes on here. We have about 4 right now that we're going to work on getting scheduled. These are all free to attend. And you can register here for the virtual ones. We do have 2 more basics and 1 more advanced so far through March. So that's exciting. You can also see anything else we have going on up here. We have a aviation conference coming up, and then we have graphics. On the front screen, you can see the next couple days of forecast, or you can see our severe weather graphic. And then if you go down here to the map, you can actually click on your particular location, and you will get a 7-day text forecast. And you will also be able to see a hourly weather graph. So if you just need an overview, you can see that up here. But if you'd like an hour by hour forecast, you can see it here. So that's really helpful if you have things that you want to do, or you have plans, or you want to see when the heaviest rain chances are going to be, or when the highest temperatures are going to be, you can click on it here. All right, if you need anything else, just let me know.